Hello goldfish keepers and welcome to another video from 24G. For this video, we'll be showing you how we raise our goldfish fry until they become adults, feeding edition. First up, of course, you will need to have goldfish fry. Now you have a couple of options to choose from as the first food for your baby goldfish. Take note to feed your baby goldfish once they are free swimming. If they are still holding on to the sides of your aquarium, they still have egg sacs that provide them with nutrients. Now, for the first food, some use grounded egg yolk, green water, microworms, vinegar eels, or infusoria. But I think the best first food that is readily available and very easy to give is Artemia or baby brine shrimp. Baby brine shrimp or BBS is the perfect size as a goldfish's first food. You only need a BBS hatchery, which is very easy to make, and BBS eggs, which you can get on most pet stores. After 3 days of feeding BBS, you can start introducing Daphnia moina if you can get your hands on them. If not, you can still continue feeding them with BBS for about 1 to 2 weeks. Now, we usually feed BBS about 2 to 3 times a day, depending on how much a batch can eat. Now, make sure not to add more BBS if there are still some BBS in the tank left. Now, if your goldfish babies are about 1 week old, this would be a good time to introduce Daphnia magna. Daphnia magna is a larger species of Daphnia than the Moina and is very easy to culture. I use both BBS and magna up until the baby goldfish are at least 2 weeks old. When they hit 2 weeks, this is the time where I start to introduce Chubifex. Chubifex worms are a fry's superfood. They have a high protein, fat content, which young goldfish need during this stage. Just make sure to get the tiny species of Chubifex, as there are some Chubifex species that are longer and larger, hence would not be easily ingested by your baby goldfish. Once they are able to eat Chubifex, you will notice an increase in the speed of growth on your goldfish babies. You can actually use Chubifex up until adulthood, but Chubifex can be expensive depending on your location. It is very costly here in our place, with salad cup servings averaging from 120 to 150 pesos, while on other parts, you will see 8 ounces of Chubifex for only 15 to 30 pesos. So, as an alternative, I feed young fish with steamed egg. Steamed egg is high in protein and nutrients and is a good substitute for live feed, provided that you make sure to maintain your water quality through frequent water changes. I introduce steamed egg usually when they are about 3 weeks old, and has been a practice I have successfully continued for years now. The Chubifex feeding is something I use as a booster to enable me to transition goldfish fry from live food to steamed egg, and then pellets for our grow outs. Once goldfish hit the age of about 5 to 6 weeks, I try to start them on pellet diets. Just make sure that your pellets are goldfish specialized pellets, as they provide the best nutrients for our fish. From time to time, you can try alternating live feed with steamed egg and pellets to make sure that they have a diverse diet. Some other alternative live food feeding you can give to your goldfish babies that are around a month old are bloodworms and mosquito larvae. If you have no problem with live feeding, then it's best to continue giving them live food, given that you make sure to clean the live food before giving it to your fish. Live food, unlike pellets and other feeds, can be given in large quantities and just have it in your tank for your goldfish to feed on. Whereas other feeds require you to actually give it to your fish, unless, of course, you have food timers. Now, we hope you learned something from this video and see you on the next one.